Hello and welcome to Vegworks. Today I'm making kachori. There are different types of kachoris, but today I'm making the green peas kachori. I'm going to make it the healthier way, but I'll also be showing you the traditional way of deep frying. So let's see how it is made. We require some green peas. I've boiled them. You could also use the frozen variety, and we require some plain flour and some spices which we normally have at home. We can see that as we add in the spices when we cook. So let's do the outer covering first. For the outer covering, we require some plain flour. To the plain flour, we'll add in some salt, some oil. Now I've taken about a quarter cup. We need to rub this in well. When we hold the dough tight like this, it should retain its form. Now we'll add in some cold water and make a dough, a stiff dough. The dough is ready. We'll set this aside for about 10 to 15 minutes. In the meantime, let's make the filling. For the filling, we need to make a rough paste of this. Along with some green chilies according to your taste. The green peas has been coarsely ground. Into a pan, I've heated some oil, about 3 tablespoons of oil. We'll add in some saunf or fennel seeds, some cumin seeds, and some ginger. Fennel is an important spice in this kachori because it gives it that characteristic flavor. So we'll be adding a little more later. Now we'll add in the ground peas. We need to fry the peas until it is completely dry. But halfway through, we'll add in some spices. To dry up completely, it will take about 10 minutes. We need to dry it up a little more. So we are halfway there. Now we'll add in the spices. Some mango powder and some salt. Finally, we'll add a little bit of fennel powder. We'll dry this up further for about 3 or 4 minutes. The filling is nice and dry and it's ready. We'll divide the dough into equal portions. We can get 8 small ones or about 6 slightly larger ones. So we need to take a small portion like this. We'll take a small portion of the filling and bring the edges together. And as we bring, we need to seal it up so that the filling doesn't come out as we fry. Pinch it and seal it. We'll roll it. I'm not making it very large because it will not fit into my air fryer. So I'm making smaller kachoris. We can make the others like this. I've put in 4 kachoris inside. Now I'm going to put it for 20 minutes. After 10 minutes, we'll brush it up with some oil. While those are getting air fried, let's deep fry 1 or 2. We need to fry it on low heat and allow it to become nice and crisp. The kachori has got a nice golden color and crispy from the outside. It's ready. Let's take it out. It's been 20 minutes. Let's check the other kachoris. Yes, they've puffed up well and they've got a nice color. Ouch, it's hot. So they are crispy and ready. Let's plate them.